Hello guys. Welcome to Alxmo Tech. If you have any issues in any video, you can join my Telegram group. I will put the link in description. And you can follow my Instagram account. Now let's go into the video. In this video we are going to see how to download Google Play services with Play Store shortcut. If you have seen this video about downloading Gspace, you can skip the downloading Gspace part by pressing the first link. Open Huawei App Gallery. Search Gspace. Install Gspace. Search Gspace 32-bit. Install Gspace 32-bit. Open Gspace and click Start. Allow everything. Click Continue. Wait until it load 100%. Open AR services. Click on Sign in several times, minimum 6. Click on the 3 dots in the right corner. Enter your email and password. Click I agree. After that, close the application and open Gspace. Open AR services. Click the back arrow and it will navigate to Play Store. Search any app you want and install it. Now let's see how to create shortcut for Play Store. Open browser. Search Gspace. Open it. Click the 3 dashes. Click Google for Huawei. In Solution 5, click the word click here. Go down. Download Gspace icon. Download the latest version given. Click Download. Click Continue. Click the download button. Go to the downloaded location. Extract it. Select a location. Download Shortcut Maker. Copy play Gspace. Paste in some other location. Click on it. Click Other. Open with Shortcut Maker. Click Create Shortcut. Click Add. Here you have Play Store. Open it. Search any app. Install it. To adding on desktop, hold on the app, click Create Shortcut, click Add. Here it is on desktop. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.